In this video, the first thing that I want us to know is how to separate names when you have a big list or a long list of names that has can have 2 names, can have 3 names, or so forth. So in such a scenario, maybe you are told to separate such names, such that you have, as you can see in the data set that you can see here, whereby you have in column A, we have the full names. Then in column B, we have we need to get the surname, we need to get the first name in column C, and then other names can appear in column D. I would like to explain that sometimes when we have this data, somebody might, if you use the long method, you can just type in, for example, here, you can type the name Kolu, that is the first name, I mean the surname to that person. Then in the second first name, you can type David. Then the other names, they will appear on column D. In this case, we have Kolu. We have Lady. So I would like you to see. Now we just have only 3 names for that row. And when you look at the list that we have, it's going up to number 14. Just look at these. Supposing you have the same data, whereby you have around 1,000 names, 10,000 names, 40,000 names. Type in this, what you can see there, it is very hectic. But we have a shortcut. Of course, we have 2 that we can use. I will explain the 2 of them so that at any time, somebody, when they are using these, I mean, they are just doing this, it can become very easy for them to just separate those names without a lot of work. So let me just do away with the first, what I typed there, so that now we can do it. So if you are using Excel has the capacity to do it. When you go to the, where we have the tab there, you just go to the data tab. Then you come here, select your entire list. Sometimes when you have a very big list, you just need to go, just press on the first cell there, like you can see. Then you press Control and then the arrow down. It is going to alight. That is Control Shift. Then it is going to alight all the names in that list. I believe that is okay. That is just a shortcut for selecting. That is Control Shift, then the arrow down key. Now, after you select, you can just go to the data, look at text to column here, as you can see on that screen, text to column. When you get that drop-down menu that comes there, you just need to select, to click next. Then here, sometimes it comes when it's selected space. You can see our names are spaced using spaces. Sometimes they can be separated using the commas or another thing that you're using to separate the names here. So under these, you just click space. Then you go next down there. Then you just finish. You can confirm that now you have separated those names. Now, this is a method that you can use, say that you have these names like they are. But what you notice here, the full name column, it just remains there with just the first name. So it has not given us the solution that we need. So when you have such a case, then it means that you have not achieved what you wanted to achieve, whereby we need to get the surname, the first name, and the other names appearing here. You can see the column D, where we are supposed to have the other names, it is appearing blank. So what can we do to avoid such a scenario? Let me just go backwards so that now we have the original data, as you can see. So the easiest way to do away with this, to separate these names like that, to have the surname, the first name, and the other names appearing in their respective columns. The first, what you can do is just go to the first cell under the surname, just type the surname. In this case, the surname is Kolu. So we type Kolu very fast there, and be very accurate so that you don't mess up. Then the first name in this column is David. Then the other names, in this case, we can have Lady. In case somebody has 4 names, you can type the other names there as they follow like that. Then now look at it. Yeah, this is where we have the trick now. You just need to click when you are coming up with the surnames. We have Kolu. Just click where we have call, where we have already typed call, that is the surname there. And then using control button on your keyboard, control, then press letter E. That is the button here. You can see what has happened there. You'll find that the other names have appeared. We have Jumanji. When you look at the column A, that is the surname Jumanji. Kelly is the surname. The next one is Mwenda, which is the surname Chege, and so forth. You can apply the same for the first name. That is you just control E. The others will appear. Then for the other names, you just do the same, control E, and that is the easiest trick to get these names. I will say this after you have done all that. Remember, these are formulas that you have entered. If you want to use these lists somewhere else, it is always good that you copy what you have done. That is select everything there, copy, and then you paste, so that you don't go with the formulas. When you have formulas in Excel, they are not very good. So yeah, you copy and copy paste special. So when you do that, you'll find that you have done away with those formulas. And that is all for today. Keep that is following this channel. You'll get more tricks when you are using Excel. Remember to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Anything that you want to learn about Excel, just leave it down there. You will get the solution from this channel.